7/4/2020. Happy 4th of July to everybody around the world. Everyone around the world is very important to us. You mean everything to us. So, if you have any problems in your country with markets or any questions that you may need, well, we're here for you. Now, I have a weekly chart on the S&P 500, and we had called this big reversal when we had gotten overbought. Now, there are times when the S&P was overbought, and this was definitely one of them. And when we went through this process, what we did was we found out one thing, and one thing for sure, is that when you take that high, which was 32.33, we bought everybody knows that we bought the S&P 500 put options, and we went down and we made a low down here of 29.65 on the S&P. That was it. Each time we rallied, we sold off. This is the last previous week going into the holiday today. And this is what it looks like. And here are the diamonds. Now, what has to happen? The S&P 500 index is totally not 100% overbought, let's say, for the retail public, but it will get close. There is the upside. And the upside, once again, this diamond and this diamond on the weekly and this diamond, these three, counting this one on the close, we have to get above it. We have to close above these. Then we have to take this diamond high out and this teeny line up here. Each delta line will be, or was, 41.29. Here, I'll give you the exact number. Hold on. Here, let's do this. So, here we go. So, 41.29, and we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those from this low. Now, if you take last week, we went up 1, 2, 3, 4 times 41.29 per line. 100% mathematically correct. And there's no joking about the move. The other thing, the body of the price closed up here on the diamond. Now, July is traditionally a good month for markets. Problem is, markets are going to have a lot more headlines coming out next week. The S&P 500, what I just said, has to happen. And if it does, then we could rally all the way right back over here where I'm showing you. And once again, it's going to take the buyers. We're going into an earnings season. There's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of headlines. There's going to be a lot going on around the world. There's going to be a lot going on with the virus. Things are out of control. I mean, look at the algorithms have pushed the markets higher. And they did off of the jobs report mathematically. So we know how strong it is. Okay. On Friday, though, when we made the high here on the 3-minute, they did sell into the S&P. You can see it. And then it bottomed down here. And the low was 31.24. And it closed at 31.30. So, back to the weekly. There's room to rally. These two sell weeks right here that I'm showing you, we got higher. And we closed up at the high. So if we gap open up on Monday, S&P could easily see 32.50 is going to be up here. And we're going to have to clear 3,200 to get there. So once again, Friday's high was 31.65. This one right here for the week. And we have, no, it wasn't, it was 31.60, yeah, 31.65. So we got to take out that high. And we have to close above all of this. Happy 4th of July to everybody and all of our traders around the world. And proceed with caution. Don't get caught when we're up here. So there is more room to run in the S&P 500.